I'm out to capture sunrise over Derwent Water. Why not come with me? Well, good morning. And you found me out and about again still local. And I've come down to one of my go-to places that is relatively close to home, down to Derwent Water, and I'm at Isthmus Bay. And I'm hoping that we might get a reasonable sunset. There is a little bit of colour in the sky, sunrise. There is a little bit of colour already in the sky. So what we're going to do is we'll set up the tripod and camera to what might be a suitable composition, and then we'll just wait and see what happens with the light. I have come out partly for another reason. I've got some new boots for my trip to Iceland at the end of January. And I thought, they've only just arrived, and I thought I'd better get out and get them bedded in and just want to try them out. Having walked down to the lake, I'm walking in the water now and I don't feel any water coming in. Well, I mean, they're not really meant for wading through water, I don't think. The idea of them is more to keep the snow out and keep the feet warm. What I'll do is I'll try and get a little shot of me in them so I can show you what they are. They're Helly Hansen winter boots or something to that effect. So yeah, hopefully they'll work out. They're a bit bright. They're orange. There's three colours you can get. There's black, sort of khaki green or darkish green, and these orange ones. And unfortunately the only colour that was available in my size from the site I ordered them was the orange one. So yeah, that's I'll certainly be seen anyway. But yeah, we'll get on setting the camera up, etc., and we'll catch up with you a little bit later. Right, well, I've been waiting quite a while now and I'm a little disappointed. But what I'm going to do is bring the stills camera up and record from there as well. And this is the composition I've got at the moment, and you can see we've got the jetty, all concrete jetty there as a sort of leading line, and we've got Derwent Water, and then we've got cat bells at the back. Now what I was hoping for, and hasn't happened, and if I could just quickly show you around there, because that's going to really blow out. The sun is way up there, and what I was hoping for was that on cat bells we'd sort of get a line slowly coming down as the peak lit up and more lit up, which we haven't actually got. And it is quite hazy at the moment. If we look over that way, it's quite clear and bright. But as we look to cat bells, and you can see it on the stills camera as well, it's getting very hazy down that way. So I'm not quite sure. I'll maybe stick around a little bit longer, take one or two more images, same composition, and then I can compare them at home, and then we'll probably go to Crow Park, see what image we can get from there, and then head home. because I've been out quite a while. I've probably been out 2 hours now and waiting for a while, but it just hasn't come as we'd like. So I'll just turn the stills camera off, and yeah, we'll try some more images and then go to Crow Park and we'll catch up with you there. Right, as you can now see, I've come to Crow Park and we're just taking the sort of normal iconic image. As you can see, if you look down there, there's the camera. So yeah, we've got the gate and the fence, Derwent Island and cat bells behind and these trees. So a little bit difficult because if we just look around here, just the other side of the trees, we've got this wall with graffiti on that doesn't look particularly nice in the environment. So you're just trying to set up a composition where we can get a reasonable setting, but we're not getting that wall in. So yeah, it's been a little bit disappointing. The sun's down over the hills to the left of us there, and the light's not brilliant. I think very hazy. So we've taken an image that we'll put up and then we're going to head home. What I have been thinking, what I will do for the images which you'll have already seen that I've taken at Isthmus Bay, I'll put timings on to give you some idea of when they were taken, because I only did the one piece with the camera explaining the composition, etc. But I did take a few images at different times, so I'll have put the timings on just to give you some idea of whatever. So yeah, sunrise over Derwent Water hasn't been brilliant today, so yeah, we'll put this image up, we'll pack the camera up and start heading home, and we'll catch up with you a little bit later. Right, we're on our way back home now, and as I've already said, a little bit of a disappointing sunrise. Just speaking to another photographer before we got to Crow Park, as we were getting to Crow Park, he agreed it hadn't quite come out. I think it is quite hazy, which has affected the sunlight, etc. So yeah, But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already done so, please click the thumbs up. It all helps the channel, and if you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe? It doesn't cost anything, and again, it is very useful to the channel. So yeah, the thing I do appreciate the most though is comments. So if you have any comments on this video, please put them down. Bit of good, bad, indifferent, or just whatever, and I do read and make a response to all comments, even if it's just a thank you for commenting. But yeah, it's a bit on the chilly side, but these new boots certainly keep your feet warm, although I think I've already commented, not quite sure how waterproof they are. But yeah, I need to have a go at fixing my actual big wellies that started leaking. I've got some sort of gluey tight thing, and I'm hoping if I put that on, that'll seal them up, and then I can use them, because they're brilliant for if you're going around rivers and that, and you want to get your feet in the water. But yeah, so, and what's next again? I'm not quite sure. I'm hoping today's Sunday, hoping in the next few days to sort transport out, and then hopefully we can get out somewhere. I'm not quite sure where we'll go, but somewhere out of Keswick. I'm getting a little bored, and you might as well, of just going round this area. So yeah, we'll try and get somewhere else and try and get a theme for each video. So yeah, I'll stop rambling on, and we'll see you on the next video.